In the bustling city of Viridian, where noise and chaos reign supreme, a young protagonist named Alex embarks on a journey of self-discovery, delving into the profound depths of the power of silence. Alex's life is filled with constant clamor and distractions. The city's streets are filled with honking cars, blaring advertisements, and a never-ending buzz of chatter. People rush past one another, consumed by their own concerns, barely taking notice of the world around them. Amidst this cacophony, Alex feels a deep longing for something more. A chance encounter with an old, wise man named Eli sets the course for a transformative journey. Eli, a sage who has embraced the power of silence, becomes Alex's guide in uncovering the hidden strength that lies within the depths of stillness. Curiosity piqued, Alex follows Eli to a serene garden hidden within the heart of the city. As they enter, the chaos of the outside world fades away, replaced by a palpable calm. The garden is a sanctuary of tranquility, surrounded by lush greenery, softly trickling fountains, and the sweet melody of chirping birds. Eli explains to Alex the significance of silence in a world overrun by noise. He shares ancient wisdom that teaches the value of introspection and the art of active listening. He speaks of the power of silence as a gateway to self-discovery, a means to unlock hidden truths and tap into the essence of one's being. Together, they embark on a series of exercises that challenge Alex to embrace silence in various forms. They sit in meditation, allowing thoughts to rise and fall like passing clouds, without clinging to them. They take long walks in nature, soaking in the beauty and immersing themselves in the symphony of silence that envelopes the forest. As the days turn into weeks, Alex begins to notice subtle shifts within themselves. The incessant chatter of their mind starts to quieten, making space for newfound clarity. In the silence, they uncover a deep well of creativity, where ideas flow freely and effortlessly. In the garden, Alex encounters others who have also been touched by the power of silence. Each person has a unique story of how silence has shaped their lives. There is Maya, a writer who found her voice by embracing the stillness within, James, a musician who discovered that silence is as vital to music as sound, and Sophia, an activist who found strength in the silence of contemplation before embarking on important social causes. With each encounter, Alex's understanding of silence deepens. They realize that silence is not simply the absence of noise but a potent force in its own right. It is a canvas upon which the colors of life can be more vividly expressed. Silence allows for deep connections with oneself and others, fostering empathy and understanding beyond the limitations of words. The journey takes a poignant turn when Alex confronts a personal challenge. In the face of adversity, they instinctively retreat into the sanctuary of silence. Amidst the chaos and turmoil, they find solace in the stillness, drawing strength from the quiet depths of their being. In this moment, the true power of silence reveals itself, the power to heal, to restore, and to guide. As the story unfolds, Alex shares their experiences and newfound wisdom with the people of Viridian. They organize workshops and gatherings, inviting others to explore the transformative potential of silence. Gradually, a shift begins to occur in the city, a collective awakening to the power of silence. Parks and meditation spaces are created, and people start incorporating moments of silence into their daily lives. The path to self-discovery and inner peace lies in embracing the power of silence. As the movement spreads, Viridian undergoes a remarkable transformation. People start to prioritize moments of stillness and contemplation, recognizing the value of silence in their personal and professional lives. In the workplace, employees find that brief periods of silence allow for increased focus, productivity, and creativity. Companies adopt practices such as silent meetings and dedicated quiet spaces, fostering an atmosphere of deep thinking and collaboration. In schools, educators incorporate mindfulness and meditation practices, teaching students the importance of silence in managing stress, enhancing concentration, and cultivating emotional well-being. Students learn to listen actively, engage in meaningful conversations, and develop empathy and understanding for others. The impact of the power of silence extends beyond individuals and into the realm of relationships and community. Couples discover that silent moments of connection can be more profound than 1,000 words. Friends find solace in sitting together in companionable silence, strengthening their bond without the need for constant conversation. Viridian becomes a city that celebrates both the vibrancy of life and the serenity of silence. Public spaces are designed with contemplation in mind, featuring gardens, libraries, and art installations that inspire reflection and introspection. The arts community embraces silence as a source of inspiration, creating powerful performances and works that speak volumes in their silence. As the movement grows, people from other cities and countries visit Viridian to experience the transformative power of silence for themselves. They bring back stories and practices, spreading the message far and wide. The power of silence becomes a global phenomenon, touching lives and communities across the world. However, the story also addresses the challenges that arise in the face of this newfound understanding. There are those who resist the concept, dismissing it as mere escapism or a luxury for the privileged. Skeptics question the practicality of silence in a world that demands constant engagement and communication. Yet, the advocates of the power of silence stand strong. They emphasize that silence is not about withdrawal or disconnection but about finding balance and nurturing the inner self. They acknowledge that silence can coexist with the noise of the world, providing a sanctuary within. The story culminates in a grand gathering in Viridian, where people from all walks of life come together to celebrate the transformative power of silence. Leaders, artists, philosophers, and everyday individuals share their stories, insights, and practices. The air is filled with a palpable sense of unity and connection as the collective wisdom of silence intertwines. The story of the power of silence is a testament to the human capacity for growth, reflection, and resilience. It is a reminder that in the midst of a chaotic and noisy world, the embrace of silence can lead to personal transformation, enriched relationships, and a more compassionate society.